Hello students, Mr. John here. It is, if you're on task, the 20th of December, if you're working as the things you do, and that means it's test study day. We're studying for the Chapter 11 test. As always, I have a number of tools available for you. We've got the Chapter 11 summary here, and if we click on it, for some reason it never wants to pull up, it never wants to suck into Canvas, but if you click right here, it will pop up in a new tab, and it's all there, a nice summary of the whole chapter. Also at our disposal, we'll have this video. I'll give you some hints and tips. This will be on the review page, the forum page, where you feel free to post. Most kids just post like, hey, I'm ready to rock this out. If you have any pressing questions, I advise you to just inbox me, because I'm not real good at getting back to the forums, admittedly. Here's a study guide. This is a very in-depth study guide, but if you can look at all these questions and go, okay, I know generally what that is, like I know what capitalism is, I know that the cotton gin made the cost of, or the demand for cotton skyrocket in the Industrial Revolution, and a corporation is like a company owned by a lot of people, a lot of investors, things like that. If you have the general idea of each of these things, you're probably in a pretty good shape to ace that test. That test, the Chapter 11 test, is 42 points this time. Sort of an oddball amount of points. There's a lot of matching on there because we had a lot of vocab and a lot of multiple choice questions. No essay question at the end. You have 3 attempts, and it's all in order. So it starts with vocab, then there's questions from 1, 2, 3, and in that order. As always, a good way to study that I'll advise you is, hey, just grab your book, be it physical, this is the teacher's edition, or you have the Connect Ed version, which looks a little like this. Here's the student edition. Pull up old Chapter 11. Maybe give it another read real quick. Boom, here we go. Just power on through. Just take a quick read real quick, and then you'll at least have everything fresh in your head on this study day. And if you see a question tomorrow and you go, I don't know what that is, you'll probably at least know where to find it. Oh, that's about cotton. It's probably in lesson 1. And so on and so forth. That's my tips for you. If we take a look at the calendar real quick, at our modules, the test is on Thursday. So it's the 20th. Here's the test. What do we have going on that last day before the break on Friday? You have a Teen Biz assignment, but it's not a regular article, it's a level set, which most of you did at the beginning of the school year if you were here. If you started in between, then you may have done one. If you're brand new, this will probably be the first one you're doing. And it's just like a test and achieve, a little assessment, if you will, to see where you're at in your reading skills. But that's all you have for that day in my class, so I wanted to make it an easy day on the last day before the break. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, good luck on the Chapter 11 test. Have a great day. Have a great break. I'll see you next year in 2018. All right, take care.